she is. Almost all done for this year at least. So let's talk about it. This is my 2023 Busa. So over the winter, I decided to make a few modifications and didn't really let too many people know, but let's talk about what I did over the winter. Let's start with the obvious, okay? The most noticeable thing you're gonna see are the CoreMotto Wheels. So I was going back and forth about what color CoreMottos I should get. Basically, make a long story short, I was sitting back going back and forth looking at different colors with the pictures, and I decided, you know what, I'm gonna go with the gold. I think the gold, I think it could work. And so far, I like it. Everybody that's seen the bike so far, they love it. So there we go. Decided to go with the CoreMottos. Along with the CoreMottos, I decided to do some Galfer rotors. Got a really good deal on some Galfer rotors, front and rear. As you can see, got the Galfer rotors, front and rear. Really nice. Do I notice any difference in the braking? No, but they look good. Got a good deal on them. Third thing you probably noticed, the calipers are painted. I said, well, since I'm getting the bike, you know, getting wheels and everything, I might as well do something with the calipers. I got the calipers painted blue. Got the front and rear calipers painted blue. Just to let you know, the color I went with is called Blueberry Illusion. It matches this blue Suzuki blue pretty well. Going also along with that, I also got some brand new mirror block offs. As you can see, I got those painted as well. I got clutch cover painted. Got my grab bar painted. And I also got the stator cover painted as well. Okay. I think it looks pretty good. Went with gold bolt kit from Pro Bolt. I'm still trying to piece together some more bolts, but as you can see, got the gold bolt kit from Pro Bolt. I'm still trying to piece some more together. I got to take some off and measure them and order them. It's not a process where you just order gold bolt kit and everything comes the way you want it. No, it doesn't work like that. Also, I decided to change my frame sliders. I went with the Yoshimura frame sliders. The things were expensive as heck, but I like them. I wanted them. Do something different. You gotta cut your fairing. It is what it is. I like the way they look. A little cleaner look about them. A little smaller. I like them better compared to the old ones. As you can see, also, I decided to do a front suspension rebuild. So I decided to get my front forks rebuilt, but in getting my front forks rebuilt, I decided to go with some Race Tech springs. So I have my front forks rebuilt with Race Tech springs rated for my weight. Also, along with that, I went with the Öhlins adjustable suspension. This preload adjuster right here. As you can see up in there, if you can see it, but see if I can get it up in there. Got the Öhlins suspension. And let me tell you, you hear about it. A lot of people say, oh, your suspension, you should do something with your suspension. And I've never done anything with my suspension after literally decades of riding. But I'm telling you, hearing it from me here, it made a night and day difference in the way my bike's feel. And I still haven't even gotten it tuned yet. I still need to set an appointment to get it adjusted, basically. I'm gonna go to MRP for that. The bike rides phenomenal. Other modifications I've done, I went with this thing where you pull down the front forks, whatever. I don't know, I just got it for the looks. I doubt if I'll be using it. I changed my mirrors to CRGs. Went with the CRG mirrors because you can basically fold those out of the way if you need to. Let's see. Oh, people already knew I had a dash system, Blue CarPlay system, but I went with the Chigee. I went with the Chigee system because the Chigee system actually has, you can connect a camera to it. So I got a rear camera and a front camera as well, as you can see. Decided to go with that. Really love it. Also got a nice little tune. Got a little something done. Got a nice little tune. I went with the Yoshi protector right here. Got that powder coated blue as well. Went with Sato sprocket cover. And these are normally red up in here, but I got them powdered blue as well. So far, that's pretty much the extent of the modification I've done to the bike. I think it came out pretty well. Oh, check this out. Just put a brand new tire on here. I'm talking about like an hour ago, maybe about 2 hours ago, put a brand new tire on here. Because I already had a brand new tire on here with probably 25 miles on it, and it went flat. Went down to Hyzers motorcycles and got down there, and guess what? Had a flat tire. So I had to buy a brand new tire. So it is what it is. So I'm glad that it happened at the dealership. So they took care of me. But so far, this is the bike. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you like it, if you love it. Oh, I changed the colors from gray to blue. The Hayabusa symbol. I still got the rear one on the tail. I need to change that. I've just been lazy. That's going to be blue soon. But other than that, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about it so far. You like it, love it? What other changes do you think I should make? I actually kind of like it, to be honest with you. I think she's real sexy right now. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Like, subscribe, share. Really appreciate my followers. Appreciate all your input. Appreciate the people that I see on the street. Really appreciate all your love. And I want everybody to ride safe out there. Peace. Oh, one last thing I forgot. Some seat covers. I got some brand new seat covers on here. How can I forget those? Look at that. Hayabusa. Huh.